Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I was getting ready for going outside for my grocery shopping. I was taking airport tripod, house keys, some shopping bags and water bottle along with me. I also took umbrella because यहाँ पे वेदर का कुछ फिक्स नहीं होता. सुबह धूप निकलती है, दोपहर में बारिश होती है और रात को बहुत ही ज़्यादा ठंड हो जाती है. So let's go. Like I said before, just look at this weather. It was quite windy and cloudy. Just बारिश होके रुकी थी. By the way, it's autumn in Melbourne here. चलते चलते मैं बॉक्सल सेंट्रल तक पहुंच गई एंड जस्ट लुक एट हियर, वेदर इज बिट मोर क्लियर. The best part of Boxhill Central is that at one place you can get food court, you can catch bus and train over here, and many stores are also there of different brands. I mostly shop for my groceries from Woolworths and यहाँ पे ट्रॉली को अनलॉक करने के लिए you have to insert $1 coin. Now we are going inside. As soon as you enter into the Woolies, you will get to see freshly lined up different fruits. If there is any special deal, it would be mentioned on their rack. As you can see, there are pre-packed bags for different fruits, as in 1 kg or 5 kg, and their price would be mentioned below. मैं मोस्टली यहाँ पे ग्रोसरी लिस्ट बना के आती हूँ. सो ऑन द टॉप ऑफ माई ग्रोसरी लिस्ट वॉज पोटैटो. सो आई यूजुअली बाय ऑलराउंडर वॉश्ड वाइट पोटैटोस. ऐसे 2 kg के बैग्स मिलते हैं एंड पीछे से आप इसको क्लियरली इसके क्वालिटी देख सकोगे. सो आई बॉट इट फॉर 2 kg पोटैटोस. इट्स फॉर $4. ये एकदम फ्रेश ग्रीन लीफी वेजिटेबल्स है. हर एक आयल में ऐसे रोल ऑफ प्लास्टिक वेजिटेबल बैग होता है. मैं यहाँ पे टोमेटोज ले रही हूँ. ऐसे वे स्केल दी होती है, उसमें आप अपनी चीज़ रख के जो प्रॉपर आइटम है उसको सिलेक्ट करके, लेट्स सी आई एम सिलेक्टिंग फॉर टोमेटो गोरमे, तो वज़न एंड कितने रुपीज़ हुए वो आपको दिख जाएगा. सो इट इज़ फॉर 0.5 फॉर $4.96. For onions, I usually buy red onion from Brown and Red. For 1 kg red onion bag, it's for around $2.50. 3 pieces of garlic for $3.30. Woolies में योगर्ट 1 kg की बकेट अराउंड $5 की मिलती है एंड पनीर एंड यहाँ पे प्री मेड इडली डोसा बैटर भी मिल जाता है. एंड गेस व्हाट, today I saw मोतीचूर के लड्डू. This is 300 gram for $8. Fresh vegetables like cauliflower, cabbage, carrot, pak choy, pumpkins, broccoli, lettuce, iceberg. I'm gonna buy here our regular cabbage and cauliflower. As you can see, half cauliflower is for $3.45. You can pick any one of them. You can choose whether you want to buy a full cauliflower or just half one. It is nicely packed. And then I am taking 1/4 of the cabbage for $2.45. I'm gonna put it in my cart. Here I'm picking up some green capsicums. It was around 1 kg for $7. Here different cans of milk are lined up for 2 liter or 3 liter can. I usually buy 3 liter can of full cream milk. And from Indian spices section, I'm gonna pick some cumin seeds of 250-gram packet for $3. There are different varieties of pasta like plain fettuccine, curly fettuccine, spirals, elbow, penne pasta and spaghetti. I'm gonna buy spaghetti and penne pasta for 500 grams each. As you can see, there is huge variety of pizza and pasta sauce, just pizza sauce alone and pasta sauce alone. Tomato puree, tomato paste. I'm gonna buy here just tomato paste of Woolies brand. Different varieties of white sugar and brown sugar. Also castor sugar is also available. I'm buying here white sugar of 1 kg for $1.70. There is also different brands of bicarb soda, baking powder, gelatin powder. I am buying here baking powder which is gluten free. As you can see, there is huge varieties of spices and herbs. I was looking for ginger garlic paste but I didn't get that, so I took minced garlic and crushed ginger of 250-gram bottles each separately. As you can see, there is huge variety of pre-mixed different flavor cake powders like vanilla, fudge chocolate and also pancakes. There is whole different section for icing sugar. I bought here white till of 100 gram for $1.20. And then I bought sliced black olives and I was looking for jalapenos. I got Brian Co sliced jalapenos. I use both of them in sandwich, pasta and pizza. There is different section for different sauces. I took a bottle of barbecue sauce. I was checking the expiry date and put it into my cart. There were a variety of different buns, breads and wrap. I took burger buns. I was done with my grocery shopping and at last, I always prefer to self-checkout. You have to scan QR code of each item and place it into the bag area. Bag area is weight sensitive, so you have to put everything onto that weight scale, then only you will be able to check out. I'm gonna load everything into my shopping bag and I'm gonna put this trolley into its place. And then once you attach the chain into your trolley, your $1 coin gonna come out. This is how I do my grocery shopping once in a week or monthly. If you want more videos like this, then like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. You can also check out my other videos on traveling, lifestyle, skincare, hair care on my YouTube channel. Guys, see the difference in the sky. On one side it was very cloudy and dark and on the other side it was quite sunny. This is how weather changes in Melbourne. Thank you and stay tuned for more videos like this on my YouTube channel. Do subscribe it.